I started the Children's Hospital Camperdown in 1989, worked there for several years, and then moved to Gosford Hospital, the Central Coast Area Health Service. And then about 1998-99, I moved to the Mid North Coast Local Health District, where I've been here ever since under different restructures and different names. I was very lucky. When I started the Children's Hospital Camperdown, I spent 18 months there. In my time there, I spent 6 months in human resource and payroll under Joanna Holt, who is now working with the ministry. And then I spent 12 months as Deputy Building and Maintenance Engineer under the program, which gave me an opportunity to look after all the maintenance services at the hospital, and also gave myself skills in managing staff, 30 to 40 FTEs at the time. And then after my stint there, I moved to Gosford Hospital for 12 months under one of the former presidents, Graham McGuinness. And then after that, I got an employment position at Gosford Hospital. And also, it should be noted that during my period in the trainee program, I was also president of the Student Society as well. So it gave me a great opportunity to mentor, develop myself, and gain friendship with a lot of friends who I still come in contact today, who are much older than I am, but also provide great mentorship to me then and also now. Lots of skills are needed for a career in health. First of all, good teamwork. It is vital to be a team player. Health and health services have variety of roles which are important to the delivery of good patient care, but also in health. We operate in an industry whereby we touch on so many aspects of life, whether it's to do with Hendra viruses, as we do in the rural community health settings, to the major metropolitan hospitals with their advanced technology and services that they operate. It's incredibly immense, incredibly complex, and we need good teamwork and good team players in that. Being very good in business or finance, I think, is important. With the new activity-based funding models that are coming in place now, it is important that people understand and grasp that, but also complementing all that is also good skills around workforce and human resource management. I would emphasise good judgment and insight is incredibly important if you wish to be a manager in healthcare. It is vital to have good judgment, insight, and also at times having a good sense of humour is also important. I do believe I never realised how broad health was. Health is just not health hospitals, it's just not community health, it's public health, it's HIV, it's a range of things, it's research, it's teaching, it's technology, it covers so many things, and it's such a complex, important industry. And we're also, what we never knew, that I never knew 20 odd years ago when I started my career, is how much we touch on all the lives in a community and a society. We are vital to the fabric of communities and society, and that's an important aspect which I never knew all those years ago. So it is incredible, but also in saying that in 100 years' time, I look forward to seeing the journey health's on. I have no doubt it's going to be much different than it is today. So I guess technology's made a big difference. And 20 odd years ago, when I, like many in my day, opened up the first Commodore 64 computer, we never thought today we'd have iPads, iPhones and other things. So again, all those years ago, I never understood the complexity, the breadth of health, but also where it's going. And the technology side is incredibly exciting, but also a challenge for us as well. Don't let fear hold you back. Take every opportunity that presents itself. It is incredibly important to listen and listen to those around you. It doesn't matter who they are. Health has a lot of people who have well-intended ideas and views, but we must listen to those and make our best decision and use our good judgment and insight to work out what we think is the best for the future in regards to delivering healthcare services. But again, I'd reiterate, don't let fear hold you back. Take every opportunity and listen.